I've really been going hard since my first verse that I ever wrote, dog. This the first wave in the city of the Lords. To make it 031, just get PEGG involved, yeah. I'm passionate, so don't ask me to let it go. Once you get me going, it's hard for me to stop. Still trying to figure out whether or not I believe in God. Meanwhile, I'ma keep talking to connected in every area. When I come through, I steal the mic that you were using, check it cause I want to. You get a grubber, you get a punt too. Either way, you get a kick out of this shit. Just call J-So the boy, we about to get lit. I'm a poster boy for poster boy, I'm proud of this shit. They some poster boys for PEGG, we run the town with this shit. Just called all the bros together, this the meaning of life. I was depressed and slowed down, had to get right, I got right. Now it's a matter of keeping it right. I'm up now, I'm in space, I see satellites, I see galaxies. I'm hoping somebody gon' try rap at me. Rap at me, motherfucker, rap at me. Rap at a white South African boy, I represent Poison City. My boys is with me making noise in the city. As always, can't hit me. Oh, you can look at me funny, but only God judge me. Is God real? I don't know, dog, he must be. No way, everything came from nothing. Told my homie L, put it away, that's enough lean. Told my homie L, dog, I feel like you fronting. I don't know if I was right or wrong about it, but one thing I'm trying to teach y'all, always be gut trusting. Always trust your gut and take note when you have deep thoughts. Always trust your gut, believing that you can be strong, cause we strong. Pull up to the party in my Reeboks, white tee, jean longs. I tell the audience, please watch what's about to happen is amazing. And they just keep on trying to discredit greatness. But this is PEGG, in this land I am a god. Really been going hard since the start in the city. Hold up, okay, when I say Durban, you say hip-hop. Durban, hip-hop. Durban, okay, when I say Durban, you say hip-hop. Durban, hip-hop. Durban, away. Away.
Give it up one more time for PEGG. Okay, let's move along. Mashu, right now on stage. Angazi ukuthi nifana nami niphuza amanzi noma beniphuza ugologo. Right now, let's welcome on stage ugologo.
Woza! Lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona ichizi, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona igazi, lapha ngiphithwa khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona ichizi, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona ijami. My man, awuniki microphone, icinzela gazi ngiphuma khona, mina ngamahloni ngokuchaza le ndawo ngiphuma kuyona. Ufika gcwele izoni kuleli kasi ngedame ngiphuma kulona. Ufike kuphekwa igoni kuleli kasi vele sikholelwa kulona. Lapha ngiphuma khona siyakholwa kodwa nemkhuba ikhona. Lapha ngiphuma khona siyakhonya kodwa nethuna likhona. Lapha ngiphuma khona siyakhona nabona ukutha ngekhona. Lapha ngiphuma khona siyakhona futhi ukhona ngobona. Ndawo ngiphuma kuyona akuyona indawo ongaphila kuyona, indawo engiphuma kuyona ikasoko ngedama kugcwele ukona. Fune phupha likhona uzolibona libe into engekho khona. Ikusasa lifa bukhoma enganeni intwana ngeke wakhona. Lapha ngiphuma khona kunekhona intwana engadlula kulona. Lapha ngiphuma khona omakhonya gcwala ntwana bakhona. Lapha ngiphuma khona ngiyatshela kunzima ukukhula khona. Lapha ngiphuma khona miningi inkedama emkhuba ekhona. Lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona ichizi, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona igazi, lapha lichithwa khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona ichizi, amen. Lapha ngiphuma kaJomi igazi, lapha ngiphuma khona, lapha ngiphuma khona ichizi, lapha shuka khona. Ngiphuma kaJomi igazi, magazi leloke lami igazi, uhlukanisa ijazi nenxasi kuleli kasi ngcwele isazi. Hleze lila umfazi magazi kuleli kasi kuphina intrance ichizi ubridge fast kuleli kasi intwana kugcwele amakhathi. Hlukumeza ngokuphudukeza bese zekunyukubeza. Funa uhlweza zakufudumeza bese zayikhukhumeza. Chiza zayiphekeza inkenceza amase iqala isebenza. Fika ngoshweleza ihebeza umuntu wadla ngokukeleza. Waflopha lana zakuhlinza muyishova ntanga zakufina. Wayifotsha lana zakuthinga ngesipova ntwana does that mean? Ufoche kusala uphaqa sevuka ubhaqa zihlinza uwaqa waqa kwala gaqa makufika uhaqa lana bhoda nehaqa uthaqathaqa elokhipha iqatha maseyihlinza nembatha uqhaqaqhaqa ikhanqaza amageja maseyidala umkhakha nokhokha letshiza lenkasi kodwa izwane nokuhaqa lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona intshisi lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona igazi lapha engichithwa khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona intshisi lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona idami lapha engishuka khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona intshisi lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona igazi lapha elichithwa khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona intshisi lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona lapha engiphuma khona idami lapha elishunqa khona. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Asibambe igama ugologo wakhona le kaMashu esinqawunqaweni.
The soldiers that we lost. One thing you hear, next thing you tell, next thing you go. They dying every day. They're dying for no reason. They just tryna get paid, tryna feed their family. Maybe we go meet up again.
R.I.P. to the soldiers that we lost.
One thing you hear, next thing you tell, next thing you go.
Then you crawl. Then you crawl, then you crawl.
They're dying every day. I know they're trying to feed their family.
Man.
But life ain't easy in the screen.
Oh yes.
Oh no. Well maybe we go meet up again.
Umhlaba komhlaba kwenza ubone nohlanga sehlanga kwehlanga ngehlanga sizubuhlungu nihlukana nomhlaba sihlukana nomama zonke insuku sihlukana notata hlunga pheli yazi mangiqala ngithatha ukubheka sesiyikhunga daily kuba simeni nosathane buka kadeli endiyaza ngisibona isizathu ngicela ukubuza kutheni siza bawo nakho kufa kufika njalo nzima hayibo shiwa abantu esiphila nabo siyabakhumbula sibalibali masicubungula ngilale ngokuthula ingqondo zethu angisoze nadlula akukho ukuphumula sicinga nina njalo masijula asoze sanilibala mehlweni ethu angisoze nafiphala yazi ukushiya kwenu umhlaba kwenza isizwe sonke salimala sohlale sikhala mfunga ubaba sohlale sikhala nanini nize nazi sohlale sinithanda.
R.I.P. to the soldiers that we lost. One thing you hear, next thing you tell, next thing you go.
Then you crawl, then you crawl, then you crawl, then you crawl, then you crawl.
No reason. They just tryna get paid.
My man.
Tryna feed their family.
Maybe we gonna meet up again.
R.I.P. to the soldiers that we lost.
One thing, next thing you they're dying every day.
I know they're trying to feed their family.
Aye, man.
But life ain't easy in the screen.
Hey, my man.
Oh no. Well maybe we go meet up again.
Senzo meyiwa shiya abantu bonke belila sila siphelila noma ngizama ngithi phephisana sekuthi angidube mangiqala ngijula ngicabanga ukufa kwalakhi dube kufuthathela amaqhawe ngcono manje liphuphe ngabe usifiso ncane kubhlungu kakhulu ukuthi mina wahamba ngisemncane mfisa ukuba nawe sihlale phansi baba sibonisana uzongikhombisa indlela ngazi kahle ngeke sikhohlisana tata umadiba sihlale sicinga tata siyadinga lo mhlaba uneyinkinga ngabe kungcono ukuba usaphila stili sakhala no Prokid uhambe sakudlala namanje seyidlala ingoma zakhe zonke wayibhala awukodwa ngenkalakatha yethu mandoza yazakholakala qhawe lethu impela labhoda madoda lempilo inzima yazi rafyoda yashiya amaqhawe emdalo wezulu engathi ungangiloda.
R.I.P. to the soldiers that we lost. One thing you hear, next thing you tell, next thing you go. They dying every day. They're dying for no reason.
They just trying to get paid.
Trying to feed their family.
Oh yeah. Maybe we're gonna meet up again. R.I.P. to the soldiers that we lost. One thing you hear, next thing you there, next thing you gone, nigga. They dying every day. I know they're trying to feed their families.
But life ain't easy in the screen.
My man.
Oh no. But
maybe we're gonna meet up again. My name is GOLOGO. It's now Mashu Mkhumbane.